Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joy and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. These are passion twists or spring twists, whatever you want to call them. I like to call them passion twists because it sounds better. Um, so I'm going to be showing you guys the hair that I used and the method I used to install this hair. So I ordered this hair from a company called Beyond Beauty. Um, I ordered it on Amazon, and I'll link the actual item in the description down below, so you guys can check it out. But with shipping and everything, it was just a little over $30 for this hair. I got it in the color 1B, and when you receive the package, it comes with 3 bundles of hair like this. This bundle, I took about a few pieces out of it, but it comes with 3 bundles of this hair. And if you're wondering if 3 bundles is going to be enough, trust me, it's enough, because I didn't even use, this is the 3rd pack. I didn't even use half of it. I probably only used 5 pieces out of the last pack. This is pretty much 2 packs of hair, and then I had some of these red ones from the last time I purchased from them. So I used them to kind of spread out through my hair to give it a little pop of color. But it's predominantly black. It's in the color 1B. So I'm going to show you guys the method I used to install this hair. Now, the method that I used is really for us women who are not strong braiders. I don't braid very well. I don't have good grip game. My grip game is non-existent. So the method that I used to install this hair, I'm going to show you guys throughout the video how I did that. And the reason why I did it the way that I did it was because I want this style to last for 4 to 6 weeks. So I'm going to be washing this hair. I'm going to be, everyone's pretty much self-quarantined right now, so I don't plan on going anywhere, but I want this to hold up because I don't feel like doing hair, pretty much. So that's my whole reason. So I'm going to show you guys how I installed this hair, and also too, just so that way you guys can see, it's really soft. This hair is soft. It's lightweight. It's not heavy, and this is a dream for me. This is a dream protective style because I am so tender-headed. I think I'm probably the most tender-headed person that anyone in my family has ever known. So I really love styles that are lightweight and don't pull on my hair and don't pull on my scalp. So if you're looking for a style that's pretty easy to install and it's not going to weigh down on your hair, not going to cause any headaches or anything like that, then this is perfect. So if you guys are interested in watching how I put this hair in, then I would like you to stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so here we have the pack that the hair comes in. It comes in 3 packs that look like this. I got mine in the color 1B. And this hair also comes with a card that shows you how to install, as well as 2 hair clips and some hair jewelry. And then this is what the hair looks like right out of the pack. So again, guys, it's really soft. It's really long and stretchy. So when you go to install it in your hair, like you'll see me doing, I'm going to stretch out the hair before I actually install it. And I also use a rat tail comb, some Smoothie from Shea Moisture as a moisturizer, and some Eco Styler gel. So I've already finished about 75% of my hair. I just sectioned my hair off into 4 even quadrants, so this is the last section. I'm going to go in and part my hair to get ready to do the boxes, and I'm not worried about the parts being super perfect or super straight, because just being honest, no one's going to be up and through my hair checking my parts and inspecting them. So I just do the best I can, make them as straight as I can. And I do this method because it's easier for me. I don't know how to cornrow, but if you do know how to cornrow and would like to do it as a crochet instead, all throughout instead of individual, you can do that as well with this hair. So I'm going to add some of my moisturizer And then here I'm going to start, I'm going to split my hair and then start to plait this section, make a braid, an individual braid. And I'm going to braid down about an inch or so and then leave the rest out. And then I'm going to take my hair here and stretch it out. And this just gives it a little bit more length when I go to twist it. Then I'm going to take my crochet hook, crochet it under my braid, hook the hair, pull it through, and I'm going to pull one side through the braid. So I have two pieces on each side of my braid. And then I'm going to start twisting my natural hair with the spring twist hair until I get down to the end of the braid, and then I'm going to split my natural hair and keep twisting down. Add some smoothie just to make the hair a little more soft, and then keep twisting down. Alright, just to show you guys again, I'm going to moisturize my hair with the smoothie to get ready to do my plait. And then I'm going to braid my hair down. I'm going to braid it down about an inch or so. And then once I braid my hair down, I'm going to leave that out. I'm going to take the spring twist hair, give it a little bit of a stretch. And again, I do not separate the hair, I just take one piece and stretch it out. And I'm going to take my crochet hook, crochet it under my braid, and don't get it caught in your natural hair like I did here. Make sure to be careful. Hook your spring hair, pull it through, pull one side through so you have two sides on each side of your braid, and then start twisting the hair down with your natural hair. And then once you get to the end of your braid, then you're going to split your natural hair into two and then keep on twisting down. I'm going to add some more smoothie just to smooth it out on the way down. And it also helps to soften up the hair as well, more than it already is. And then just keep twisting down. right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever tried this on your hair before or if you're interested in trying, and let me know how I did. Like I said, I love this hair because it is very forgiving, and the method that I use to install it is the easiest for me. I don't know how to cornrow. I don't know how to do any of that stuff, like I said. So this is the easiest for me to install my hair. It only took me about 45 minutes for each section. So really quick and simple, easy to do, and it's super cute. You can wear it how, any way you desire. So yeah, if you liked it, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.